Hi, we're here at the Service Provider Research event at Fujitsu today. I'm joined by Glenn Fitzgerald. Glenn, we've heard some really exciting technologies, artificial intelligence, digital annealer, etc. And I think one thing I thought is that there's a real need for us as Fujitsu to be able to work with our partners there to join our skills in these new technologies, because I don't think we have all the answers, and there's a lot of complementary that our partners can deliver to us. So I think that's what I heard. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think that's exactly true, Graham. The pace of technological change in the industry is always being talked about as fast, and that's always been true, but it's getting faster and faster and faster. And in fact, some of the new technologies are bringing entirely new models for engaging with our ecosystem, with our partners and with the customer base. If you think about artificial intelligence that we've discussed today, particularly in the context of things like neural networks, a neural network being designed to solve a particular customer's problem, but the mathematics behind that, the technology in delivering it, the mechanisms for turning that into a service that's actually useful to a customer as a consumer is a complex process. And very few organizations have all those answers, and Fujitsu does not claim to be an organization that has all those answers. We have the technology, we understand that, we understand how it can be applied to data streams and to data analysis to produce an outcome, but we don't understand the customer's business problem. The customer understands that, and we don't understand the mechanism that the customer uses to deliver those services to his customers. Our service provider partners understand that. So unless we have a wider ecosystem of cooperation, then some of these new technologies will never meet their full potential, and we'll end up shortchanging both ourselves and our partners and our customers. To take another example, the digital annealer, which is around about applying particular mathematical methods to solving particularly difficult problems. In this context, there's no real use at all of this thing in an isolated context. It has to be being delivered to customers in the context of a solution to a problem. Who knows about the customer's problems? Their service providers know about those problems. Who knows about the mechanisms for solving those problems? The customer does. Who knows about the ways and means that technology might be applied to solve those problems? Fujitsu does. And it's this meeting of all those minds that's going to enable us to deliver to our customers' content.
Yeah, absolutely. And we heard today around the service providers needing to work at a business level, absolutely needing to work with business outcomes. And I think one of the points you make is that our customers and the researchers reinforce that we absolutely need to be moving to be service integrators around partnerships, pulling multiple technologies together to address those business issues. So I think it's absolutely right, and it's a great insight. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.